Jeff with the All Points Tile Slate here. We're at the FRSA show. We're going to do a quick walk around now and see if we can have a conversation with a few of our vendors. You know, I got that big hat collection in my office. I don't even collect hats. You know, even here, like if I talk to someone, they'll be like, "Oh, let me get you one of my hats." I'll be, "Oh, thanks a lot." I don't see me. I got a hat. I got 2 hats at the house, depending on what I'm doing. I have one for mowing the grass, one for around. Hey, oh, good.
Hey, the market's like this color.
See, I almost passed you guys up.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing all right.
Hi, nice to meet you. Alondro.
This is Sam with Verea. This is one of the products that we sell. How's the show going?
I'm sorry?
How's the show going?
It's been busy
I'm going to
as
ask
hell.
a couple softball questions.
Yeah, it's going very, very well.
Really?
It's been really busy, yeah.
It seems like it. I haven't been. This is the first year I'm really not.
Oh, you're not participating?
No, we are.
Oh, okay.
But I'm not in the booth.
Oh, okay.
I turned that over to
You get
my
to see
kid.
what everybody else is doing.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're like me. You get situated in a little small area.
Instead of, you know, before I'd have to run out, like hit a booth and head back, hit a custom, you know what I mean? This time I'm just like, no, you guys got it.
I like your hats.
Oh yeah, we got some new hats. If I have some, I'd give you one.
I'll swing by your office one day and see.
All right.
Try to innovate.
Yeah.
How are you doing, buddy?
Hey,
Great
doing
to see
great.
you, man.
Doing great.
Great
I'm
to see you.
filming. What do you guys got new?
What's that?
We're doing a little blog.
Oh, hey,
We're
hey, how's it
visiting.
going? We're Verea Clay Roof Tile. We're the leading importer of clay roof tile into the U.S. market. Thanks to our excellent distributors like All Points Roof Tile that we've been doing business with for 17 years. And our excellent super rep, Sam Patina, who services All Points Tile. Excellent. Thank you.
What do you have new? What do you?
No, what do we have new? We have this wood shake looking tile.
Oh wow.
This is a tile that looks like wood shake. This is the first color we're bringing it in. We're also bringing it in a lighter and darker shades, and it's meant to mimic wood shake, but this will never change color, and this will, look like it does for the life of the roof.
How many pieces per square?
This is 123 pieces per square, Jeff. And it's a very hard tile. It's a grade 1 tile.
Right.
And it's color through. So it's a great product. You can cut it for your gable or
And
valley.
you keep it socked in Miami?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
I know that. I know that.
You know that.
I'm wondering, like I told him, I'm throwing softballs.
Yeah, exactly. Be like, tell us about clay. This is a great company. It's one of the few family atmosphere, nice people to deal with in the industry. There's a lot of everybody in the industry, bastards, people change teams, people just backstab each other, but people are dirtbags. This is excellent.
Yeah, All Points is great.
Best and whatever. I will always remember my boy Penn, and I'll always miss Penn.
I know, yeah. It it never goes
Huge
by.
personality.
Someone will ask me, they're like, "Hey, do you know what this is?" And I'll be like, "Oh, never mind." I'll
He
call
knew
Penn.
it all,
Yeah.
man. He knew it all. He goes, "No, this is this, but this is an off color because of this, and it was done only for 3 months in 1978." Be like,
Yeah.
"Holy
And there's this house and this house and this house that has it on it.
But this
yeah,
is
he
the
knew
thing.
everything. Yeah, he
But
loved
that
it.
industry knowledge like that is, it's very valuable and it's very difficult to replace.
Yep.
So, whatever. Like I said, I think about him all the time. He's the man.
Yep. All right, take it easy.
care, buddy.
Hey, I'm here with O'Hagan. This is Dwight. He's one of our vendors. We think this is a fantastic product as far as ridge vents go, off-ridge vents. Dwight, what are you seeing at the show this year?
It's a lot busier this year for sure. As far as ventilation specifically, people are starting to ask more questions, good questions, which is nice because they're getting closer and closer to being to the code, which is nice, and that always helps the industry grow as a whole. But last couple of years, it was a little slow this year. A lot of hype. Everybody's real excited for this one.
One of the things I like is that you have your wind calculator.
Yeah.
Or not.
The vent takeoff.
Yes. And I go there and I have to figure out how many vents I need.
Yep.
High flow, low flow, all that stuff.
Yeah.
I find that really helpful.
So we have the vent calculator on the website that'll get you an answer in a quick minute. You can brand it, print out a PDF, or you can send us your Eagle View or Roofer Report, take off whatever you're using, and we'll convert that to a map that lays out where to put all the vents, and I believe that's what you're talking about.
Yes. Yes. Anything new you want to?
We have a standing seam metal vent and a shingle vent. had the shingle vent, but it's a low profile tapered vent. This is to scale, so this gets 72 square inches of net breathe for the shingle out of a 11 by 11 inch hole, and then the standing seam is going to have a built-in diverter. The standing seam vent's actually rated for both shingle and standing seam.
Oh, okay.
So, total ventilation masters over here. You know, you do one thing, you do it really well, right?
All right, thanks a lot.
Great to see you.
There you go.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
You can just edit me out of it, it'll be perfect. How's it going?
How are you?
I'm doing all right. Hey, this is Hans with Santa Fe. He's one of our suppliers. How's the show been?
Been great so far.
Really? What do you guys?
It's just started, but we've had a lot of people stop by.
Great, great. What do you got new going on?
We are bringing back the Mission Barrel
Okay.
from Santa Fe, because remember we're offering the Santa Fe Spanish S,
Right.
but we are bringing back the Mission Barrel and all the colors.
Now, when you say all the colors, are you mean the 50 colors or?
No.
Okay.
Just the 10 colors that we had.
Okay.
That we had discontinued, but we are bringing those back, and we're very excited about that.
Oh, fantastic. Really is fantastic. I'm glad to stop by.
You can't miss it. How you guys do? You have a booth here? And
Yeah, we're down at 925.
I gotta go stop by and see you guys.
Sure. We're just walking by, we're doing a little blog, we're, trying to do the vendors,
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, good to see you.
Yep. I'm here with Angel with Velux, and we're talking about skylights. They have a lot of great products. We were talking to them about doing a training video, which hopefully we can work with you on that.
Absolutely.
At some time in the future. How you like the show?
The show's been awesome. There's a ton of good information going around. Just to give you a little bit of more information about the Velux as well, all of the trainings that we offer, both on the business side and the installation side, are absolutely free. So we're just looking to get people more educated in the market, which is a big portion of this roofing show.
Well, I think that's a fantastic idea. And anything to do with educating the homeowner or educating the roofer, I'm all for.
Awesome.
So we'd be more than happy to work with you in any way possible.
For sure. Pleasure.
All right, I gotta get to the next
That's
shows.
right. Thank you.
Honestly, things are good. You can tell by the giveaways on how good it's going, because they got hats and stuff like that. That means then when things are bad, it'll just be like a little candy.
How you doing, guys?
I'm doing all right. Don't do any of this. But I do like to look at it. Huh?
You never know until you look.
Yeah. Well, I like to look at it. You know what I enjoy is just seeing the innovations. You know what I mean? Because you're looking at. Sometimes it'll be like the booth over there, the throwaway booths, and then it's like you'll see a guy, you'll be like, next thing you know, he's out here in the center 3 years later selling at Home Depot. You know what I mean? All right, you take it easy. One good thing, and I don't know if it's good or not, but what'll happen is like these guys all get next to each other. So if you're interested in like adhesive, you can do them all in a couple of feet, Hey, Gavin?
Yes, sir.
Hey, this is Gavin with Brava. We sell his products. How's the show going?
Doing great. So obviously, as you can tell, pretty busy around the Brava.
Yeah,
booth.
you are, yeah.
As always, we've got some nice sun hats. I'm not sure if you saw some people wearing them around. So got some of those to offer, and everybody's learning. Still trying to bring the brand awareness of Brava
These
around.
pavers, they're something new, right? Or they've been out for a few years?
They've been out for a few years, so that's one of our flat roof options as well. So you can apply that to a flat roof. You can also kind of do pool decks, balconies, driveways, terraces, things of that sort. So rather than your traditional paver systems, that's an option for a lot of people.
What are you looking at a square foot?
Oh, you're going to be looking a little bit more expensive than your traditional pavers. Still going to be more cheaper than your traditional travertine. Obviously, that's going to be a little bit more higher end. The biggest thing with that, it's going to come with a lot of the benefits you're probably familiar with our Brava system.
Right.
The lightweight aspect, the maintenance-free, the Class A. It's all on a self-lock inter-grid system, so they all interlock together. So if you need to do repairs for whatever reason, or the homeowner wants to change the colors of the pavers, they can just lift them up and put a new pavers in, or do some repair to the TPO if it's on a flat roof, and just put it right back on top.
What do you have new? I mean, you have anything coming out?
I will say we are working on a new product profile.
Not ready to mention it?
Yeah, not ready to mention it yet. We're still doing some testing on it, but it's going to be something that is going to be very big for us in the Florida market. It's going to be another profile for us to be able to offer in terms of high slope for the roof systems.
Okay.
So that's going to be something I'm excited for.
Good.
Hopefully getting that rolled out Q1 of next year. So.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir.
Hey, this is Next Level Metal. This is Nick. Hey, Nick, how's the show been going?
It's going pretty good. It's actually starting to get a little busy.
Great. What's your new products this year?
Well, we have two different companies. We have our metal manufacturing side and we have our supplies. So
I heard you got a laser cutter.
we do. We have a laser because we're working on some different products and stuff that we've never used before. We'll be able to make a lot of really custom things that might benefit you out in the future. But I mean, the trend is, most people are moving to metal. So people love metal and tile, the longevity of the products. So that's why, like, your industry tile and our industry metal, it's really hand in hand. I think that's really the future.
What's the lead time on a metal order?
Metal roof, usually most of the time we have it in stock, so you're 3 or 4 days.
Great.
Yeah,
Great.
3 or 4 days on most of the stuff.
How about
Anything
if
that's
we
really custom, like some blues, greens, things like that, we takes maybe a week.
How about if we have to do a setup?
Set up on
of specialty metal.
specialty metal. We usually have we do a same day fee, and then we also have a fee for a setup. So if anything custom you have, we can draw it in our system, put it in there, bend it for you.
Okay. Thank you.
So no problem. It's good to see you.
So by saying this was a bad booth.
I think you did. Stop talking all day.
Good.
Lord. How have you guys been doing over there? I've been trying to get.
Been
I
fun.
just got 3 seconds. To go
I
to the
don't know
bathroom,
because
so-
I haven't been there. I was only been there for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes.
Fair enough.
Yeah. So my son and one of my other guys are over there.
Yeah.
And I told him, because I never get to walk around.
like,
If I
"It's
do,
my
it's
turn."
like I gotta go straight to somebody, say hi,
Yeah.
head straight back. And I told him last year, I go, this is it. I'm turning over the reins. I'll do a little bit of booth time. Yeah.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Hey, we're here at Alberson's. They do Hydro Sheen. They're one of our suppliers. How's the show been?
Show's been fantastic. We've been talking to a lot of people that we know and a lot of people we don't. So
This is our first year.
this is our first year. Absolutely.
Now, we've been using them for, I think, almost 25 years. I'm not sure, 23,
25,
24,
yeah.
something like that.
Been a minute.
Fantastic product. We really, really like the product.
Thank you.
You got anything new that you're coming out with?
Well, right now, the biggest thing that we're advertising is, as you well know, our oxide alternative, and then our Protect Your Point Up, which is our clear sealer for the oxides and the mud work. Those are our biggest things that we're advertising right now. So,
Fantastic.
Absolutely.
Fantastic. Look, I highly recommend these guys. We've been using them for 25 years. I've never had an issue where we've had a failure. I mean,
thank you.
if the roofer, and I tell the roofers, I'm like, listen, if you just clean the roof, you're 95%, sure. And I know Bill Senior always told me, he says he's never had one fail. He's never had anybody get a claim on him because it's just simple. It's a very good product.
That's what we try to flash. Yep.
All right. Well, hey, thanks for spending some time with me, and congratulations on me cursing myself, saying that you guys were going to be in a bad spot.
We'll see you. Thank you.
All right. Hey, I'm filming, so I'm going to ask you a couple softballs.
Oh no,
How's the show been going?
fantastic.
Darby with Crown Roofing. I should have started with that. We sell their tile, their concrete tile. So how's the show been going?
A lot of it.
Yeah, a lot of it. Yeah, a lot. You wish there's more, like I do too. I wish I could sell some more.
It's been going good. Show's been good so far.
Great,
See
great.
the lines outside to get in.
Yeah, it was a good line. It was a good line. You got a good booth. I like this. It's a nice corner booth. This is 4 spaces, I think.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4. All right, moving up in the world.
That's right.
You got anything new
New
that you
plant,
guys
gotta go
are?
bigger, gotta keep yours growing,
What's your new product? You got anything that you're?
Nothing new, all of our products still the same. 3 profiles, all concrete.
All right. Well, have a good time, man.
Good seeing you.
All right.
So I'm gonna do the outro since Jeff left early, but that was pretty much the walkthrough to the 103rd FRSA Convention and Expo. We will be here for day 2 tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna do any recording. I'm not sure if I will be here for tomorrow either way. So that's pretty much all, and thank you guys for watching.